Hello friends, this video is for how to check allotment for round 3. Okay, let's see. Before that, there is one announcement. After round 3 there will be special round, and to guide student we will be having YouTube live for that. In that YouTube live we will discuss about the guidelines, schedule, rule. As this special round is different from round 1, round 2, round 3, so you should attend this YouTube live, or you can check the recordings also. Okay, so special round we are conducting one YouTube live for student. Important instructions in round 3. Student can confirm their admission from 22nd July till 24th July. All the students who have taken admissions in round 1, round 2, in-house quota, minority quota have not been considered for round 3. All the students who have allotted first preference in round 2 have not been considered for round 3. The students who will get first preference in round 3, whether they confirm their admission or not, shall not be considered for special round. Once again I am repeating, the students who will be getting first preference in round 3 shall not be considered for special round, whether they confirm or not confirm their admission. The students who will get allotment between 2 to 10 preference, okay, once they confirm their admission they shall not be considered for special round. If they do not confirm their admission, then they will be considered for special round. So these are some important instructions. Let's see how to check allotment. First step, you have to log in on the portal. Then you have to give your credential like login ID, password, captcha. Then you have to click on check allotment status link. Once you click on check allotment status link, you will see your details and the round 3 allotment college details. If you have been allotted, then only you will able to see that. After that, you have to click on proceed for admission. Okay, if you want to confirm your admission, then only click on proceed for admission. Then you have to upload your documents, all the documents that required you have to upload that, okay, before going to college. Once you visit the college, you have to submit your document, you have to pay requisite fee. Then college will check the documents. College will give you one printout, that is admission confirmation form. Okay, you have to collect it from the college. Suppose some students who wants to check the round wise allotment, they can click on allotment/admission summary. In this section they will able to get the details about the allotment happened in round 1, round 2, round 3. Those students who have not allotted any college, they can check their cutoff, means the college they have entered, that cutoff and reason for not allotted in this section. Okay, so we are going to conduct YouTube live for special round, so I am requesting you to subscribe this channel so that you will get alert for that. Thank you very much for watching this video.